So hello everyone, I Jay Waghani and today I am going to present supernatural elements of Macbeth. This is my information. Introduction to the supernatural in Macbeth. Overview of supernatural elements, which is hallucinations, appearance, and symbolism of light and darkness. Second is a significance, key to understanding themes like fate, guilt, illusion, and the breakdown of mortality. Impact on the plot. The supernatural drives Macbeth's actions, shaping his tragic flaw. Next is the witches and prophecy. Introduction of the witches. The varied sisters symbolize fate, chaos, and disorder. Second is a paradoxical language. Fair is a fall and fall is a fair. Introduce a duality and a contradiction. Prophecy. Macbeth's rise to power. Ten of a Cawdor king and Banquo's descendants to inherit the thrones, fueling Macbeth's jealousy. Manipulation of flat. The witches' cryptic messages create a false sense of individuality of Macbeth. Hallucinations and illusions. Macbeth's hallucinations. Vision of a floating dagger before Duncan's murder symbolize inner conflict. Banquo's ghost hunt. Macbeth illustrates guilt and pronia. Lady Macbeth's sleepwalking symbolize guilt and the breakdown of her mental state. Outdemand Spot show her attempt to rid herself of guilt. Illusion versus reality. Both Macbeth and Lady Macbeth's experience reflect the blurring of reality driven by guilt and ambition. The apparitions. There are three apparitions: armored head, bloody child, and a child crowned with a tree. Then false confidence. Apparitions provide Macbeth with illusions of invulnerability. His misinterpretation of the prophecies leads him to ignore the truth and ultimately seals his fate. Light and darkness imagery. Darkness is a supernatural force associated with the witches, the supernatural, the Macbeth's moral blindness. Symbolism of night. Duncan's murder occurs under cover of night, representing the start of Macbeth's moral decline. The murder of sleep. Macbeth's inability to sleep symbolizes loss of peace and moral integrity. Sleep as a symbol of innocence, which Macbeth uh, forfeits through his violent actions. The concept of fate and time, fate versus free will. The witch's prophecies fuel Macbeth's actions, but he attempts to control his fate. Supernatural manipulation of time. Characters trans nature time. Lady Macbeth's feeling of the future in the instant. Macbeth's desire to control time leads him to tragic consequences, trapped by fate. The murder of sleep, symbolic significance. Macbeth believes he has a murder sleep by King Duncan. Sleep symbolize innocence, place, and moral clarity, all of which are lost by Macbeth. Permanent consequences. Macbeth's inability to regain reflect his irreversible moral and psychological downfall. Sleep as a supernatural force that once lost cannot be regained. Conclusion. The role of the supernatural. Shaping the plot and characters. Supernatural elements push Macbeth and Lady Macbeth towards their tragic end. Themes highlighted by the supernatural: fate, free will, illusion, guilt, and the breakdown of morality. Psychological and philosophical dimensions. The supernatural mirrors the inner inner turmoil of the character is especially Macbeth's descent into madness and Lady Macbeth's guilt. Inevitable downfall. The supernatural in Macbeth illuminates the destructive power of unchecked ambition and the consequences of defying fate. Here is the references and thank you. Now, if anyone wants to ask question.
Child, my question is how does Shakespeare use the supernatural to reflect the cultural belief of the Elizabethan era?
By embodying features of witchcraft, fate, and divine justice. Next question.
Child, my question is how does the Shakespeare's use of supernatural elements in Macbeth reflect the beliefs and fears of the Elizabethan audience?
The Elizabethan audience believe in witches or like that supernatural things. The witch's role in Macbeth elegance with these beliefs, reflecting evil and forces that manipulate human action and disturb nature order, which would have resonated with the audience fear of the unknown and moral corruption.